Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to recreate this really gorgeous look that Kareena Kapoor Khan wore in the We Ready wedding. It's a bridal look, it's a daytime bridal look that she wore in the movie, and I really loved it. I know I'm a bit late. I'm actually very late. I know many people have already recreated this look, but I really wanted to recreate this look because I really liked how she looked in the movie. In this look, in this particular look, perfect for the brides, the daytime brides, the wedding guests, for the daytime functions, and really nice subtle brown smoky eyes, neutral lips, neutral skin like looking base. I really loved the look and really wanted to recreate it, so here it is, and I really hope you like it. So without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, I have already moisturized my face using this Biotique Morning Nectar moisturizer, and it's been good 20 to 25 minutes since I have moisturized my face, so I will directly jump into my primer. And for primer, I'm using this L'Oreal Base Magique primer. Fingers, warming it up and applying it all over the areas where I tend to get oily. So because it's a wedding look and I don't want to be, oily after some time, or I don't want that my foundation looks really cakey. And what is left on my fingers, whatever is left, I'm going all over my face with that product and massaging it well into my skin and my neck as well. And since it's a day look, so obviously Kareena opted for a really fresh and neutral makeup. That's why that's what we are going for today, because we are recreating the look. And for that, I'm using this Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation. So because it's like a really fresh and neutral makeup looks, and at the same time it's a wedding look, we need to make sure that our foundation doesn't look like foundation, it looks like really skin. So this is the best option, and also at the same time it is really long lasting and gives really nice coverage. That's why I'm taking just around 1 pump of the Milani foundation, or say 1.5 pump of the Milani foundation. Whenever you are using any full coverage foundation that is matte, you need to make sure that you straight jump into blending and do not wait really too much, because it will start setting in those places where you dotted it all over. So yeah, the key to a flawless base with the foundation is you need to keep blending until you are happy with the outcome, and it will give really nice skin like finish. Using my trusty Maybelline, the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and along with that I will be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus concealer, because the Photo Focus concealer is just my shade, so I will be using it to conceal the areas that I like to. And the Fit Me concealer is just one shade or half a shade lighter than my skin tone, so I will be using it to highlight my under eyes and the areas that I like, that are like pretty much highlighted in the Kareena's look, because her face looks like really subtly highlighted, like the under eyes and the center part of her face is like really nicely highlighted, but in a really subtle way. So yeah, I'll be doing the same.
So I'm applying the Wet n Wild Photo Focus concealer under my eyes to conceal my under eye area, and around my nose, and also on my smile lines, because that's the area I tend to crease really fast, so I will be baking that area as well. And here I am applying the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, that's a shade lighter than my skin tone, to highlight the areas that are highlighted in the Kareena's look. as you can see. So I'm applying that under my eyes, on my forehead, on the bridge of my nose, my chin, under my cheekbones, and on my cupid's bow as well, and blending it away with my damp beauty blender. Also, I forgot to apply my lip balm, so here I'm just moisturizing my lips with my Himalaya lip balm and blending away the concealer with my damp beauty blender, and also taking the concealer onto my eyelids, because right after this I am going to do my eyes. So I need a really nice, clean, even toned base. And here I am taking my Makeup Revolution banana powder to set my eyelids and bake my under eye area. Also applied this loose powder on my smile lines to bake so that they doesn't crease in the long term. And here I am setting my eyelids with the same loose powder. And here I am using my L'Oreal Matte Magique Compact to set my foundation. And to do my eyebrows, I use this Maybelline Fashion Brow Dew Shaper. I'm using this shade light brown because Karina's eyebrows are like really nicely filled in, and they are really light colored. Even my eyebrows are as same as Karina's. I mean, the color is pretty much the same. That's why I use this eyebrow pencil, because this is just my color. And I'm just filling in my brows. I'm not overdrawing them, just filling them really nicely. And here I am setting my eyebrows with the other end of this pencil so that they don't move here and there. So now coming on to my eyes, I am using this Nykaa Rock the Line Kajal, and I'm applying this kajal onto my upper lash line. You don't need to be really clean because we are going to smudge it off anyway later on. So just line your upper waterline. And here I am blending away this kajal. Just be really gentle when you are blending away, and be really patient because you need to blend it really nicely. And you need to make sure that there is no harsh line of this kajal that are seen, because that will look really odd afterwards. So yeah, you need to blend it really nicely. So next, for my eyeshadows, I'm using this Makeup Revolution Pro HD palette in the shade Socialite, and I'm using this really dark brown color, and I'm patting the color all over the kajal wherever I applied it, and just patting it on. I'm not dragging the color. Now I'm taking this really nice light brown shade onto my crease and bringing it down to my lid as well, and blending the color away with the previous colors, and adding on the product until I am happy, little by little, just blending away really nicely and gently. Blending is the key to a smoky eye. Now I'm taking this really nice brick orange kind of a shade, burnt orange kind of a shade, and applying it on the top of that light brown shade that we applied on our crease and on the lid, and blending it away all with the previous colors. Now I'm taking these two dark brown shades and applying it just onto my socket area to get that shadow that Karina had on her eye. Can you see that? So yeah, and blend it away with the fluffy blending brush. Now for my brow bone, I'm taking this really nice shimmery shade, off-white shimmery kind of a shade. I know she didn't had anything shimmery on her face, but I really liked it, so I need to get it on my brow bone. So onto my lower lash line, I'm taking those shades that I have taken for my crease area, taking both the colors and applying it onto my lower lash line and blending it away with the fluffy blending brush. So for her lower lash line, she opted for a nude eye pencil. That's what I'm doing here. And here I'm just tightlining my upper waterline with the same kajal. So she didn't went for any false lashes. So here I am just applying my favorite Lash Sensation mascara by Maybelline and applying it onto my upper and lower lashes. So on her face, apart from the concealer and foundation, she just had a little bit of shadows, a really nice subtle contouring or bronzing. So that's what I'm going here for. I'm taking these two contour shades and bronzers, one by Faces and the other by Maybelline, and really gently and subtly adding them onto my the jawline and my cheekbones, just to bring that dimension back onto my face so that my face doesn't look really flat. So she didn't wore any blush in that look, but I really wanted to add a little bit of color, so I went with a really little amount of this Maybelline Color Show blush and blended it away with my contour. And for her lips, she went for really natural kind of a color that kind of matched her natural lip color. I didn't have any shade of that sort, so I mixed up this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Cannes and the Lakme I guess this a lip crayon, and blended the two colors away with my fingers only. The Lakme one is in the shade Mauve Magic. So to set off my makeup, I am using the Wet n Wild Natural Finish setting spray and Seal the Deal setting spray. And to finish off Karina's look, she opted for a red bindi. That's what I have done here, added a really small maroon bindi onto my forehead, and this is the final look. I really hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you are following me on Instagram, Twitter, and all the links will be provided in the description box below, and I will be listing all the products and linking all the products in the description box.
I really hope you enjoyed the video and this was helpful and quite relatable. I guess I tried to do full justice to the look because she looked drop dead gorgeous in that look. So yeah, I really loved how neutral this look came out to be, and yeah, I tried to do really justice to that, but I don't know. Let me know in the comment section below that did I did justice to the look or not. And also I did not know how to do French braids on myself, so I've done the easiest of that all. And if you liked it, then please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.